Hi dear students, in this video I am going to talk about elements of symmetry in a cubic crystal. Total elements of symmetry in a cubic crystal is 23. This is from the chapter The Solid State. Elements of symmetry. Elements of symmetry in cubic crystal. Students, total number of elements of symmetry, is 23. In this plane of symmetry, total it is 9 plane of symmetry it is here. It is again divided into two types, that is rectangular plane of symmetry, which is 3, diagonal plane of symmetry, which is 6. Total planes of symmetry is 9. In that rectangular plane of symmetry is 3, diagonal plane of symmetry is 6. And axis of symmetry, total axis of symmetry in the cubic crystal is 13, and center of symmetry is 1. Axis of symmetry 13, plane of symmetry 9, and center of symmetry is 1. Total elements of symmetry in a cubic crystal 9 plus 13 plus 1, we are getting it as a 23 elements of symmetry is there. In this, two-fold axis of symmetry, three-fold axis of symmetry, and four-fold axis of symmetry. Two-fold axis of symmetry, which is 6. Two-fold axis of symmetry is 6. Three-fold axis of symmetry is 4, and four-fold axis of symmetry is 3. Total we are getting axis of symmetry 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13. Center of symmetry is 1, and plane of symmetry 9. In that rectangular plane of symmetry is 3, diagonal plane of symmetry is 6. Total elements of symmetry in a cubic crystal is 23. Students, let us see that models. Students, in the plane of symmetry, first rectangular plane of symmetry, the plane which cuts the cube into equal halves. Like this, it is a cubic crystal. Assume this as a cubic crystal. So this plane which cuts this into equal halves, like this one plane it is possible, which is called as a rectangular plane of symmetry. Okay. So in a cubic crystal, that one rectangular plane of symmetry is like this, the other one is like this, it will cuts, other one is like this, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, rectangular planes of symmetry is 3. 1, right? Along the x-axis you consider, that is x-axis, that is 1, y-axis is 2, z-axis is 3. So total rectangular plane of symmetry is 3. Diagonal plane of symmetry is 6. So diagonal plane of symmetry is which is passes through the opposite diagonals, opposite that edge centers. opposite edges you take, this edge and this edge, okay, like this, which is called as diagonal plane of symmetry, right? Here this is, we know in a cubic crystal the number of edges is 12. So the planes which are passing through the opposite edges, that is when there is a 12 edges, 6 such planes are possible. 6 such planes are possible. So diagonal plane of symmetry is 6. Here rectangular plane of symmetry is 3. Diagonal plane of symmetry is the plane which is passing through the opposite edges. Number of edges is 12. So then 6 such planes are possible. Diagonal plane of symmetry is 6. In the axis of symmetry, two-fold axis of symmetry we will take first. Two-fold axis of symmetry. I have written here clearly two-fold axis of symmetry. This is an axis, you consider this stick is an axis, right? Two-fold axis of symmetry. Like this you rotate. This is 1, right? This total 360 we can rotate. This is 1, this is 2, right? 180, 2 equal halves which can divide this axis, two-fold axis of symmetry. Two-fold axis of symmetry is which is passing through the opposite edge centers. Two-fold axis of symmetry is passing through the opposite edge centers. There is a 12 edges are there. Then 6 such axes are possible. Two-fold axis. Like this you rotate. Okay. This is 1, this is like this 1, 2, same we will get, right? This total 360 is divided into 180, which is called as a two-fold axis, which is joining opposite edge centers. Then 12 edge centers are there, 6 axis of two-fold axis of symmetry is possible. Next, three-fold axis of symmetry. Three-fold axis of symmetry is which is joining the opposite corners. Which is joining the opposite corners. This is like 120, 120, 120. Total 360 is divided into 120, 120, 120. 3 parts, right? Three-fold axis of symmetry. Corner to the opposite corner. In a cube, we know 8 corners are there. Then the number of such axes possible is 4. So three-fold axis of symmetry is 4. Then four-fold axis of symmetry is the axis which is passing through the opposite face centers, right? 90, this is 1, I have written here clearly 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called as a four-fold axis of symmetry. So which is joining opposite face centers. So cube has a 6 face centers. Then 3 such axes are possible. Four-fold axis of symmetry is 3. Center of symmetry is 1. Total elements of symmetry is 23. Students, this is about the axis of symmetry. Total elements of symmetry in the cubic crystal. This is from the solid state chapter. Thanks for watching.